Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to share your Steam games with someone. So without wasting any more time, let's start out today's video. Sharing your Steam games with someone is a great way to let friends or family enjoy your game library. Here's how you can do it using Steam's family sharing feature. Step 1. Enable Steam Guard. Open Steam and log into your account. Click on your username in the top right corner and select Account Details. Under Account Security, ensure Steam Guard is enabled. Step 2. Authorize Library Sharing. Go to Steam, then Settings. Click on the Family tab. Check the box that says Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. Log out of your account and let your friend log in on the same computer. Step 3. Grant access. Once your friend is logged in, go back to Steam, then Settings, then Family. You should see a list of accounts that have logged into the same computer. Check the box next to your friend's account to grant them access to your library. At last, step 4. Start sharing. Your friend can now log in to their own Steam account on their computer and access your shared games from their library. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.